Hey guys, did you know that while 92% of people fail to achieve their New Year's resolution, there is a secret group that's twice as likely to reach their goals? What is their secret? They use a tool that most men overlook, but I'm about to change that. I'm Natasha Clower, an energy healer and life coach for men. After working in data and tech, I became fascinated with what actually makes goals stick. Do we have more capacities than our logical minds afford to bring the desired life to reality? Turned out, there are many ways, and one of them is visual boards. I'm not talking about positive thinking fluff. We will look at research and ancient wisdom that specifically works for busy men like you. I understand the hesitation. Vision boards might sound a bit out there, but I bet a few research points would change your mind. 1. According to a survey, people who keep visual images of their goals are twice as likely to achieve them. What could be a better tool than a visual daily reminder for your destination? The energetic blueprint that charges you up before you start your day. In addition to being visual guiding post, what is specifically so powerful about vision boards? Point 2. They make you think through 9 phases of your life. Not 1 or 2 that you're used to writing your goals about. Modern research backs what ancient wisdom has long known. A Gallup study in 2018 across 10,000 professionals found that individuals who maintain goals across 5 or more life areas are 3.4 times more likely to report feeling fulfilled, 2.8 times more likely to describe themselves as thriving, 68% less likely to experience burnt out. Also, in 2015, a study published in Journal of Positive Psychology found that people who set goals across multiple life domains, career, relationship, health, reported 43% higher life satisfaction compared to those who focused on single domain goals. On top of that, research from Harvard Business Review shows that executives who actively plan across multiple life areas, not just career, report 31% higher life satisfaction and 22% higher productivity at work. Vision boards are informed by ancient feng shui methods that identify 9 key areas that you should focus on for your vision board, and today's research confirms that this holistic approach leads to greater life satisfaction. So, vision boards is essential when you are ready to move past your career success into complete life mastery. Third point. Vision boards are a massive tool for mapping out your North Star. Research by Dr. Gail Matthews from Dominican University found that participants who wrote down their goals and created an accountability and tracking system to measure their weekly progress was 76% more successful in achieving them compared to those who merely thought about their goals. You see, the vision board is not just a pretty collage of pictures that makes you feel great in the morning when you look at it. It is your North Star. It's your vision. It's a tool to facilitate the roadmap and the steps that take you from where you're at right now towards the end of the year. Thus, vision boards on their own are not as powerful until you go through the exact process of activating it. This way, the visual map will work for you rather than just collect the dust. The activation process is what ensures a link between your vision and your daily calendar with the reminders and steps. Next one, point 4. Even if you do not believe in any of the quantum energy and the field, there is lots to be said to creating a focused intention and seeing your life from already done perspective. After 15 years of experimenting with different layouts, trust me, I have done probably every possible vision board layout and configuration out there. My boards didn't start working until I truly started leaning into the roots of the origins of the vision boards and psychology of manifestation. All is interconnected. Where the colors came from, what sections were meant to represent what aspects of your life, and why and how to translate them into the modern life. and why vision boards require dynamic design and section need to change its location depending on a specific year. I took it further and researched more elements that can boost probabilities of success, the specific times to the hour and the minute to create them, as well as when to adjust them. Stick around to find out what is the timestamp is for this year, where and how to strategically display them, and how to connect it to your life. If you're gonna do it, you might as well do it right. Point 5. Healthy skepticism is good, but I would dive deeper into why you believe this tool is not for you. From my experience and observing my clients, what often gets in the way is not necessarily the tool they use, but the belief system, the matrix that they approach the process. Do you believe that your dreams are possible? Are they possible for you? Do you fear that the price for achieving those goals will be far too high, so you're not willing to try? A deeper question, do you believe you deserve to receive all the goodness that you want? You see, your hesitancy of making a vision board might be unrelated to the vision board itself. According to the research published in Journal of Clinical Psychology, self-efficacy, believing in your ability to achieve goals, accounts for up to 40% of difference between successful and unsuccessful goal achievers. If you're still not convinced, well, I've tried. Thank you for listening. If you want to do it this year for 2025, your optimal time is between 4:36 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on 29th of January to 3:29 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on the 30th, and not a minute after. You can modify, add, and subtract to the board about once a month at the specific points. I hope these 5 reasons convince you to try this approach. I can honestly say that in all my years of studying energy modalities and manifestation technique, I strongly believe that when done correctly, vision boards are an incredible tool to unfold your life in a desired fashion. Subscribe to learn more about optimal performance in love and life through modern, practical solution rooted in deep wisdom and quantum energy. Thank you. I will see you soon.